Welcome back, people. Today we will see about operators in Python. We already saw arithmetic operators and augmented assignment operator in the previous video. Now we will look into other operators. So before that, we have to know there are five different types of operators in Python. They are arithmetic operators, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, and unary operator. So first, we already know about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator includes plus for addition, minus for subtraction, multiplication, division, and we have two types of division, one with a single slash and another with double slash, and the modulus operator. Next is assignment operator. Assignment operator includes equals and other augmented assignment operators like plus equal, minus equal, and so on. Unary operators, let's say you want to negate the value included in a variable, and for this we use unary operators. For example, let's say n is equal to 7, and let's say you need to negate this the value of n. So what will you do? All you have to do is type n is equal to minus n. Now the value in the variable n will be negated, and when you print n you will get minus 7 as answer. We are using a Python interpreter from the website python.org/shell. So next we'll go to relational operators. Relational operator is used for, let's say, finding the relation between two numbers or two or more numbers. It is basically comparing numbers. Let's understand this with an example. Let's say A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6. Now let's find out if A is greater than B. We all know that A is 5 and B is 6 and A is smaller than B. So the answer will be false, which means A is not greater than B. So if we try A is less than B, then we will see the answer is true. Similarly, we also have A double equals B, which is used for comparing the two numbers. It let us know if the two numbers are equal. So here A is not equal to B. So if we type A is equal to 5 and B is also equal to 5, then we will see A double equal B is true. We also have, we can also find if A is less than or equal to B, which is true because A is equal to B. Here, if the value is either less than or equal to, then the output will be true. If the value did not satisfy both the conditions, then the output will be false. So let's say A equal to 5 and B is equal to 6. So here b is greater than 6. If we type a less than or equal to b, sorry, a greater than or equal to b, then we will see false because a is less than b and not equal to b. So it does not satisfy both the conditions, and so the answer is false. We also have a not equal b. Here the answer is true because the value of a is 5 and b is 6 and it is not equal to b. So the exclamatory mark indicates not equal in Python. Now let's clear the screen and let's go to logical operators. Before going into logical operators, we have to understand the concept of true and false. Let's say you have two conditions and you want to combine these two conditions. This can be done using AND, OR, and NOT. Okay, let's say the value of A is equal to 5 and the value of B is equal to 4. So now if we have two conditions, let's say A is less than 8 and B is less than 5. Now if we run this line of code, we will see the output is true. This is because both A is less than 8 and B is less than 5 is true. Now we use AND operator means both the conditions must be true to get the output as true. Otherwise the output will be false. Let's see an example for this. A is greater than 8.
Both the conditions are not true, so the output is false. Now we will use the OR operator. In OR operator, the output is true even if only one condition is true. If both the conditions are false, then the output is false. Next, we will see about NOT operator. NOT operator is used to negate the outcome of the logical operators. So, with this we come to an end to this video about operators. Remember, all these concepts that we are learning now are the foundation to what you will learn and understand as we go on with this course.